Get ready for your new favorite bite. Irresistibly crunchy outside, luxuriously soft inside. These deep-fried jalapeno popper croquettes are stuffed with creamy mashed potatoes, bacon, cream cheese, and spicy jalapeno peppers for pure addictive perfection. Stick around, because we are breaking down every step starting now. We start by peeling and chopping 500 to 600 grams of Yukon Gold potatoes for our creamy mashed potato base. Add the potatoes to the pot, then pour in enough water to just cover them. Place it over medium-high heat and bring it to a boil, then stir in about 1 tablespoon of salt. Once the potatoes are fork tender, drain them well and mash. Stir in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and half cup of cream or milk. Continue mashing and add more cream as needed until your mashed potatoes are light and fluffy. Season with salt and pepper to taste and let it cool to room temperature. To prepare the cheesy filling, begin by dicing 5 strips of bacon. The bacon adds a delicious smoky flavor to the poppers. Then, pan-fry them until they are crispy. While the bacon cooks, let's finally dice 2 jalapeno peppers. If you prefer less heat, feel free to discard some of the seeds. Toss the peppers into the pan and let them cook for about a minute. To avoid greasy filling, drain the bacon and pepper mixture through a strainer set over a bowl, removing the excess oil. Use a paper towel to absorb any remaining grease. Next, in a bowl, combine 1 cup of cream cheese. Then stir in the crispy bacon and the jalapenos until well combined. To form the croquettes, scoop the mashed potatoes using either a 1/3 or half cup of measuring cup. Then, form a ball and press your finger into the middle to make a hole in the center. Spoon in about a tablespoon of the cream cheese filling, then carefully enclose it with the mashed potato, making sure it's sealed tightly to prevent leaks. Using a flat surface, roll it back and forth until it forms a uniform cylinder. Now set up 3 separate bowls, one with panko breadcrumbs, one with egg wash, and one with flour. First, coat the croquette in flour. Then dip it in the egg wash. And finally, roll it in the panko breadcrumbs. For the best results, chill them in the fridge for an hour. Heat about 2 inches deep of cooking oil in a pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently add the croquettes a few at a time. Fry until beautifully golden brown and perfectly crispy. Now grab your favorite dipping sauce and get ready to experience these incredible bites. You will love the crunch, the creaminess, and that perfect blend of savory and spice in every single one. These are absolutely perfect for your next party or game day gathering. With that said, we truly hope you enjoyed this satisfying snack recipe. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And we will see you next time for more quick easy, and delicious recipes.